Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? So I'll bring you a quick little video. People have been asking recently, and it's not just has to do with Hondas or Acuras, but pretty much any vehicle. And they've been noticing that their gas mileage has been dropping. And it's tankful after tankful that they see what they're averaging, and it's significantly less than before. We're talking probably 2 miles per gallon less. And wondering what the issue is and all that. So I just wanted to bring you a quick informational video. A lot of you probably already know this, but I wanted to bring it to people maybe they aren't aware of it. But did you know that the gas that you put in your car isn't always the same? And what I mean by that is, if you buy gas in January, it's not going to be the same gas that you're putting in your tank in July. Because major cities use 2 different blends of gas. They use what they call a summer blend and a winter blend of gas. And like I said, a lot of you probably already know this, but if you don't, it will definitely affect your miles per gallon. So basically, summer gas has lower vapor pressure, and then it has higher vapor pressure for the winter gas. And what that means is the summer gas will evaporate less, which produces less evaporative emissions. And when you're talking millions of gallons of gas per year, it does make a difference. Whereas the winter blended gas that they use is more volatile and evaporates more quickly, so that's why they use it in colder months. Now, due to all this, the summer blended gas has, they say, about 2% greater energy than the winter blended gas. So basically what that means is the summer blend will give you a little bit more miles per gallon, whereas the winter blend gives you less. But the flip side to it is the winter blend normally costs about 15 cents per gallon less. That's on average. When they start switching over to the winter gas, you should see the prices at the pump go down a little bit. But like I said, if you're noticing that your miles per gallon, if you do it like I do, I have it so when you fill up the tank, it automatically resets to 0. So I kind of see for each tank what I'm getting. So I know if my driving habits change or if I use the AC or whatever. I like to kind of monitor it that way, so it's not just a whole lifetime. I feel like you get a better reading that way because it's tank to tank. So like if you take a long trip, you can see what your car is actually capable of. Then if you do a lot of short trips that week, it'll show you in the miles per gallon. But again, I wanted to share this with you. If you weren't aware of it, it is a thing, and most major cities do have a winter blend and a summer blend. There are some that don't. But like I said, you will see it in your gas mileage for sure. I've started noticing it here. My miles per gallon, month after month have dropped about 1.5 to 2 miles per gallon, and that's not changing anything. My same driving habits, the same places I go the same places every day for the most part. And no matter what I try, it's always 1.5 to 2 miles per gallon less during those months. So it's a normal thing. If you guys are noticing that, that's the reason. It's not like your car needs some maintenance or nothing like that, or something's wrong with it. You should see a drop in your miles per gallon in the winter months if you're running winter blended gas. And like I said, the summer gas goes up a little bit, but then your miles per gallon does too. And you notice it right away when they switch to summer, at least for me, because it's easier to get like the highest miles per gallon that I get in this car during those months, and it's almost unachievable in the winter months doing the same route. So again, I just wanted to let you guys know that if you weren't aware of it, that's the reason. There's nothing wrong with your car if you're noticing this slight drop. Drop a comment below if you guys live in an area that uses the winter blended gas. Like I said, a lot of major cities do use that. They switch back and forth for the emissions reasons. So again, if you notice that, know that it's normal. We always look forward to the summer when the miles per gallon in these cars go up, and that's the reason behind it. So again, just drop a comment, let me know if you notice the same thing. I've noticed this year over year. No matter what you do, it's always going to be lower in the winter if you're driving the same routes, and it's nothing to do with your car. It's just the gas that you're using. It is different. So again, I just wanted to let you guys know that if you weren't aware of that. I appreciate it as always. Hope everyone's having a great day out there, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks again, everybody.